Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will be making sauteed Brussels sprouts with cranberry. So this is all the ingredients. I just use a butter, little bit of butter. Well, this one is smart balance and that's vegan. So I think that's not bad. Alright, so let's get started. What I do with this is my Brussels sprout, I cut only half, and you have to check if you have little insect inside. If this big, you just have to cut it again. Alright, let's put the butter there. Then I will add right away the garlic because it'll get burned up right away. So we'll brown the garlic. I mean light brown. Now let's add the sprouts. And the cranberry. And the soy sauce. Chicken powder. And the pepper. Okay, let's continue cook this like 4 to 5 minutes. Then you adjust your sodium. If you want to add more soy sauce or you want more spice in there, that's fine. Just put your fire to So sprout is ready to serve. Turn off your fire and serve it. Alright everyone, this is the saute Brussels sprout with cranberry. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie, see ya.